The surprising link between finances and well-being, what you need to know. Welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked, but is deeply interconnected with your health: how your financial habits impact your overall well-being. If you're someone who's passionate about living a healthy and balanced life, this video is for you. By the end, you'll understand why finances play such a big role in your mental and physical health, and we'll share practical tips to help you bring your financial and wellness goals together. Let's get started. Have you ever noticed how financial worries can leave you feeling restless, exhausted, or even physically unwell? This isn't just in your head. Financial stress is one of the most common triggers of mental and physical health issues. Here's why. When you're constantly worried about paying debts, overdue bills, or your savings, or lack thereof, your body interprets this stress as a danger. This activates your fight or flight response, releasing stress hormones like cortisol. And while this response can be helpful in short bursts, like escaping a real threat, long-term financial stress keeps your cortisol levels elevated. Why does this matter? High cortisol levels affect your body in many ways. They can disrupt your sleep, cause anxiety, and even lead to physical symptoms such as headaches, high blood pressure, chronic fatigue, or a weakened immune system. Over time, this can take a serious toll on your ability to function and maintain a healthy lifestyle. The mental impacts are just as serious. Financial troubles often contribute to anxiety, depression, and a feeling of being stuck, which can affect your relationships, productivity, and overall happiness. If you feel like this resonates with your experience, you are not alone. Financial stress is a silent epidemic affecting countless lives. Now that we've explored how financial stress can harm your health, let's focus on the good news. Improving your financial health can lead to transformative benefits for your overall well-being. When you have financial stability, even if it's just taking small steps toward it, you often experience a sense of emotional freedom. The constant worrying starts to diminish, giving you peace of mind and helping you focus better on the things that matter. This clarity and calmness don't just stop at emotional benefits. They also empower you physically. When you're financially secure, you're more likely to make healthier life choices. For example, budgeting for high-quality groceries or a gym membership becomes easier when you're not overwhelmed by debt. You may find yourself sleeping better at night because you're not constantly preoccupied with financial anxiety. Additionally, financial control supports routines that boost emotional resilience. For instance, when you're less stressed, you're more likely to exercise regularly, meditate, or spend quality time with loved ones, all of which support a healthier, happier life. Most importantly, financial stability can help break a negative cycle. By achieving better health, you're also better equipped to make smart financial decisions. The connection is cyclical and incredibly empowering when managed positively. Improving your financial health doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's not about making massive changes overnight. It's about taking small, manageable steps that add up over time. If you're someone who struggles to balance your finances and wellness, here are some easy ways to get started. Set a realistic budget. Start by understanding where your money goes each month. Create a simple budget that aligns with your income and lifestyle. This isn't about depriving yourself, it's about giving yourself clarity and control. Cut unnecessary expenses. Are there small expenses you can eliminate without sacrificing your quality of life? Cancel unused subscriptions, skip impulse purchases, or find cheaper alternatives for your regular expenses. Every little bit helps. Build an emergency fund. Even saving a little each week can make a difference. An emergency fund can provide peace of mind when unexpected expenses arise, reducing your stress levels and helping you maintain balance. 4. Set small, achievable goals. It can feel daunting to aim for big numbers in savings or debt repayment. Break these goals into smaller, actionable steps. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. By taking these actions, you're not just improving your financial situation, you're also reducing stress and creating a healthier foundation for your mind and body. Let's take a moment to talk about budgeting, a word that makes many people feel anxious or restricted. But what if you could reframe budgeting as a form of self-care? When you think about it, financial planning is just another way to invest in yourself. It's about setting boundaries with your spending so you can focus on what truly matters to you. For instance, by planning ahead, you might free up resources for activities or purchases that nourish your well-being, like taking a yoga class, preparing nutritious meals, or even funding a small getaway for relaxation. Budgeting doesn't have to be about austerity. It's about creating space for joy and prioritizing what aligns with your values. When you budget effectively, you reduce the constant worry about how you'll cover expenses, which can free your mind and help you stay more present in other areas of your life. Think of every dollar you save as another piece of peace you're adding to your life. Financial self-care might just be the most underrated wellness hack out there. To help you incorporate financial and wellness strategies into your life, we've gathered simple, expert-backed tips. Track your spending for a week. Write down every expense, no matter how small. This helps you identify patterns and areas where you can save. Set priorities. Align your financial habits with your health goals. For example, cut back on dining out and redirect those funds to a gym membership or a mental health subscription app. 3. Automate your savings. Many experts recommend getting rid of the temptation to spend by automating a portion of your income into savings. This simple step can make a huge difference over time. 4. Start small. Take action today, even if your step feels small. Achieving little wins, such as paying off a tiny debt or saving $20 this week, builds momentum and confidence. Wellness advocates agree that harmony between your finances and health doesn't come from doing everything perfectly. It comes from consistent, positive habits that add up over time. Here are a couple of inspiring examples to motivate you on this journey. Lila's story. Lila was struggling with constant financial stress, which caused sleepless nights and barely enough energy for her daily workouts. By creating a small budget and focusing on paying off one small debt at a time, she gradually started feeling calmer. Soon, Lila noticed she was sleeping better, eating cleaner, and feeling more motivated to stay active. Tom's story. Tom, a freelance worker, decided to automate savings for the first time in his career. Watching his emergency fund grow gave him a sense of control and relief. With reduced financial worries, he finally joined an outdoor hiking group, helping him improve his physical health while meeting like-minded people. Their success proves that you don't need drastic changes to experience big results. With commitment and small, consistent actions, you can see the same shifts in your life. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the connection between finances and well-being. Your financial health is deeply tied to your physical and mental health. By taking control of your finances, one small step at a time, you're not just creating a better financial future for yourself, but you're also investing in a healthier, happier you. If there's one message to take away from this video, it's this: start treating your finances as a form of self-care. Whether you begin with budgeting, saving small amounts, or cutting expenses, every step you take will positively impact your overall well-being. Thank you for joining me today. If this video inspired you to start on your financial wellness journey, share your thoughts below. Remember, your health and happiness are worth every effort. Let's take the first step together. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos.